Hey guys, it's Janet. Hope you're all doing well. Happy New Year. Yes, I am back. Thank you guys so much for still supporting me while I took my little break off of YouTube 2017 after I had my daughter and all of that. I am back. I finished my bachelor's. I'm applying for my master's. I'm still working in the ICU, so life is good. And I'll go into that in a future video. I feel like I am now myself again, so I am hoping to catch up with you guys. Let's talk about a little bit of my 2018 goals. So you already know that I just completed my bachelor's in December of 2017. Yay. It did take me 2 years, and I'll make a future video why it took me 2 years, because I've had some comments and emails regarding which RN to BSN program you should apply to. I decided to go ahead and submit my master's application to become a nurse practitioner. Whew. So yes, I submitted 2 applications. I should find out in a couple of months what they decide, and we'll see if I start my master's this year or not. Also, if you haven't noticed, I've lost a little bit of weight, which is great because I was really working hard trying to get off the baby weight, plus all the weight that I gained just working in school and all of that. So I'm feeling better. Definitely when my body weight is down, I'm eating better. I just have a lot more energy. So I am working on that, and I'm super excited because I've seen these teas all on Instagram, and I finally got my hands on a couple and one of the infusion bottles. So this is really cute. Got a bottle, and then the Teamy Colon and the Teamy Skinny tea. So I will be looking forward to trying some of these and just kind of get my head in the game, create my game plan. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I was on the keto diet before I had my lap chole. And now I'm trying to get back into keto. So I'm super excited. I think it's the perfect diet for me. I never feel deprived or anything like that. So just slowly transitioning back into that. What else can I tell you? My daughter is 13 months, y'all. 13 months. She has grown, her personality. Oh, I'm loving it all. I really have enjoyed the later part of it all. Right when I went back to work, it was just hard. Hormones were all over the place. It was very hard. I'm not sure if I officially would have been diagnosed with postpartum depression, but it took me a while to find my balance, my happiness between just being a new mom, working, being a wife, student, and I don't know, I felt like I crumbled, which is mainly why I had to get off of YouTube. I wanted to do a big shout out to my YouTube peers. So I've been obviously watching them, and they've been doing so great. Resilient Nurse, Ashley, Nurse Base, he's a new dad, congrats. Nurse Mendoza, man, there's so many. I'm probably forgetting a ton of them, but watching them has really inspired me to continue doing what I love to do here on YouTube. When I was trying to get my life all together in 2017, well, figure out my new life, it was great to see that. I felt like they could give me the inspiration, motivation to start this when I felt I was ready. So thank you guys so much. I wish you all the best. Keep succeeding, keep pushing forward, keep inspiring all these nursing students and new nurses. I know the impact that we have on them, so good job guys. So yeah, this is where you guys come in. Okay, so because I am trying to update you guys and create some of these videos early on this year, to wrap up maybe things that I didn't complete last year or things that you really want to know, feel free to put in the comment section below. What are your top, let's say, 3 videos that you want to see, whether it's just nursing school, working in the ICU, orientation, anything like that. Even also like new mom, work balance in my personal life. I would love to hear what you would like to see, and that would actually really help me out. I also am creating a members only Facebook group, so I'm hoping to kind of make that a little more exclusive where I can ask these type of questions and kind of go back and forth. I'm hoping that it's a very interactive place, so let me know. Give this video a like or a thumbs up So I know whether to actually create that or not, because that will be a new platform that I would have to manage. So I want to use my time wisely because I want to get out the best content that's helpful for you. Well, I think that's about it. I am super excited and I just can't wait to reunite with you guys and learn all about y'all and have y'all enter my life and journey again. I can't believe I took that time off, but it all happens for a reason, and I am feeling better, which is most important, because if I'm not, you're not gonna get anything. Anyways, so I think that's it. Happy New Year. I will be posting on my Instagram. Would love to know more about your goals, and I will be sharing more about mine. I am working towards my study plan to obtain my CCRN certification, and then hopefully I'll get accepted to my master's program. And yeah, those are the two big things I'm working on right now. Alright, y'all. Have a good one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the videos. Bye. This is Sarai. She's one. Can you say hi? Can you wave? Here you go. Say bye-bye.